And y'all get back.
Here we go.
You gotta hold it down there a minute. Power.
Run for it. Oh, good, there it is.
Rocket. Now we're trying to, I think it's the top of someone's roof.
Where?
Across the yard.
Oh, I see it. It's how before you pull it up when you get it. Wow, that thing. How am I say? Wow, crap. God, it smells. What are you looking for now? Guys, get out of the yard. It's pretty good. Here we go. Here it is. Crap, it's got a lot of dirt in it.
I bought it like that.
You're retarded. Yep. What are you staring at, Brawley?
Are you putting that on YouTube?
Yeah. Can't you get it out?
Shut up.
Stuck
That's gonna be a bad video on YouTube.
it in too far. God, smoke's coming out of that. It's like it landed right on some poop.
The wadding come out all over that.
Who cares about wadding? I mean, oh crap, that thing stinks.
Yes, I can smell it too. I can smell it too.
Well, in this video, the parachutes look pretty cool if it comes out.
You don't know.
I've seen them on YouTube. It comes down gently. Does it slam into the ground like that one did?
Huh.
Yep. Ava! Ava! Okay, I guess I'll end it now. Just moved in, I guess.